Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today in this special occasion I want to talk about implicature in pragmatics. And did you know what is implicature? I will tell you first. In this society, human is a social creature who needs each other in daily life. As a social being, human needs to communicate with one another. However, when someone communicates and has a conversation, there is often another meaning to be communicate. Therefore, when we having a conversation, it needs an understanding, because in a conversation not all the message are conveyed clearly and explicitly. Implicature is one of topic in pragmatics. Related to this, I have found some article which explain the implicature on the film. I will explain what the article talk about briefly. In this article, the writers intend to conduct a research with a film as an object entitled Jumanji Welcome to the Jungle by Jack Kasdan. I think this article really interesting since the article contains conversational implicature in the film. I think film is the one of media that can be effectively for people to learn something. Based on the data that I find in this article, the writer found that the five main characters, there is Spencer, Fridge, Martha, Bethany, and one the other character there is Alex, float all types of Grecians maxim which rise implicature in their utterances. 37 utterances contain a conversational implicature, which comprises 34 particularized conversational implicature and 3 generalized conventional implicature. Particulars conversational implicature was the most frequently used in Jumanji Welcome to the Jungle film. Fridge used implicature more than the others. He did implicature when he want to show his feelings and to say that what he meant indirectly, as an example to boost himself, to defend himself, explain his situation, reject, criticize, ask for something, show his support, and also when he blamed his character in the game. And the character with the least implicature found in their utterances was Alex, because in this film Alex didn't meet them for the beginning of the story, so there was not much interaction between Alex and the other character. Meanwhile, the other character used implicature to convey their intention because they didn't know and not very familiar yet with each other, so they use conventional implicature to express their feeling indirectly. Based on the data on this article, I can conclude that two types of conversational implicature are generalized and particularized. About them would transform into a character from the game, so sometimes to find out the implied meaning behind the character utterances depend on the context of the conversation and need special knowledge about the character. The five main characters in Jumanji Welcome to the Jungle film use conversational implicature to convey what they exactly mean to the interlocutor. They did implicature to convey feelings and to show their personality indirectly. The implied meanings are found in the form to inform, complain, refuse, remind, criticize, assure, affirm, apologize, and entreat. Okay, that's all for me. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.